This is sailing vessel Blown Away, a 1995 Beneteau Oceanis 321 sitting right here in the Corpus Christi City Marina. I'm helping a family market this boat after the recent passing of the owner. The goal is to find someone who recognizes a fantastic opportunity, wants to build instant equity, and to help a family close this chapter. Let's start with the real story here, and that's the value. An online search revealed 5 similar Oceanis 321s that recently sold between $30,000 and $48,000. There are also 3 sister vessels currently on the market, with the cheapest being listed at $39,000. Don't let the price scare you away. The family is simply looking for a quick sell, so they decided to aggressively market the vessel at $18,000. You heard that right, $18,000. For the right person willing to put in some elbow grease, this is a clear path to owning a $40,000 coastal cruiser for a fraction of the price. She has fantastic bones, and with a little effort, she will be an absolute head turner on the water. If you're not familiar with the Oceanis 321, it was designed by Group Jeanneau. It's a 32-foot production sloop known for having an incredibly roomy interior for its size, thanks to that 11-foot 3-inch beam. It's a comfortable, stable boat with a 4-foot 3-inch draft that makes it absolutely perfect for shallow water cruising around the Texas Gulf Coast. Back here in the cockpit, you have a wetlock pedestal steering wheel system and it moves smoothly. The electronics at the helm are original to the boat and definitely dated, and if I was buying the boat, a modern electronics package would certainly be on my upgrade list. Heading down below, this is a factory 2-cabin layout. You have a massive private aft cabin, a spacious forward V-berth, and a comfortable saloon. The interior woodwork is in good condition and the bilges are surprisingly clean and dry. Also, the original factory seacocks have already been replaced with proper bronze ball valves. As you can see, a lot of the heavy lifting on the critical systems has largely been completed. So how do you get a $40,000 boat for $18,000? First, as you can see, there are no interior cushions. You're looking at a blank slate. You can either order factory replacements, have them custom made, or do the DIY route and save some cash. You also need to bring some elbow grease. To get this boat to her full potential, she needs what most would consider typical boat maintenance. She's been sitting for a few months, largely untouched, so the boat needs a deep clean inside and out. The hull is structurally sound, but the gel coat is dull and needs a solid weekend of compounding and waxing to bring back that shine. Under the stairs, we have a Yanmar 3GM 30F diesel engine with about 1,500 hours. During the inspection, the surveyor commented that the vessel cold started quickly and ran smoothly at the dock. The transmission shifted perfectly into forward and reverse. Mechanically, it just needs a standard routine service. Tighten the belts, top off the coolant, and likely clean the exhaust elbow and scrape the prop. It's standard maintenance for a boat that's been sitting at the dock. Here's where the previous owner spent some real money. The boat has a newer Domatic 16K BTU split system marine air conditioner that blows ice cold, which is critical down here in South Texas. The top loading ice box in the galley was also upgraded to a recent Domatic 12-volt refrigeration unit, dropping down to 39 degrees without any issues.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the
This is a sound Beneteau with a solid diesel, cold AC, and great refrigeration. Just waiting for someone to give her the love she deserves. The family had a comprehensive marine survey completed just a few weeks ago. If you're a serious buyer and you want to see the boat's true potential, let's schedule a showing. Come see the boat in person and I will gladly sit down with you and share the surveyor so that we can explore the finer details. But just a heads up, to protect the family's investment in the document, I won't be emailing it out to everyone who simply wants some reading material. If you're handy, willing to put in some sweat equity, and want to get into a 32-foot coastal cruiser for a fraction of the market price, this is your boat. Check out the description below for contact information. Let's get this boat into the hands of somebody that will truly enjoy her. That wraps up this week. Thanks for following our journey, one adventure at a time. Join us on Patreon for bonus footage and behind-the-scenes updates. Your support there is truly what helps fuel these adventures. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll see you next week.